Hello entrance. So today we are going to start the training for your internship, and for that what you need to do is on your laptop, mobile or computer you just have to click on your Chrome. Once you start, open the tab, then go to your Google. Then when your Google page opens, you need to search for Smart World CE, complete education. You have to search for, don't give the space, just search. Then you can see the second one is smartworldce.com, that is completeeducation.com. Then you have to click on that. Right, so you can just explore the website, what it is and how. Basically the concept is giving a quality education to the needy students with personalized attention. So you have our website and you can register. So to validate, basically the internship is to validate the authenticity of the content, right? So you have to enter here, register for free, click anywhere, register for free. Then you will see, enter your mobile number. Please enter your WhatsApp mobile number, because you will get your uh, activation link on WhatsApp, right? So this way you can insert, and when you submit you will get a message that you will receive a link on WhatsApp, and after that, okay, activation training link shortly on WhatsApp, right? So this way you can do it. Great. Right, so you will get this type of link where you need to complete the registration. Right, so I'll do the registration. Raj in the father's name is, okay. Then give your date of birth. You can type here and you can change it. Basically these are free, so you can add one more number, and the caste is whatever, and standards will instruct you or will update on your profile. Okay, select medium as English, put your email ID. Okay, select both. Timing, gender, then smart word, password. Just fill these details and submit. Once you submit, you will get this username basically. So note down or take a screenshot of it and save it, because this will be your username and password. Then after, once you note it down or done with your thing, then you can click on OK button. Okay. Then here, how to log in. So all the details are there, how to log in and how to go through the content. Okay, so you can check it out once you, so here the training will be given, how to log in, then how to learn, basically for students, right? So how to learn all topics, here the video is there. again. After that it is the how to record and send video for students only. Okay, so this is there. After that what you need to do is राइट. सो नाउ वापस आप वेबसाइट पे आओगे और ठीक है. सो यहाँ पर अब ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर्ड यूज़र हो तो आपका हो गया है. तो क्लिक हियर टू लॉगिन पे क्लिक करोगे आप. यहाँ पर आपको ऑप्शन आ जाएगा जहाँ पर आपको जो यूज़र नेम और पासवर्ड दिया गया है उसको डाल करके आप साइन इन कर सकते हो. यू कैन जस्ट लॉग इन बाय यूजिंग द यूज़र नेम एंड द password which you got just now, right? So once you have logged in, now here your work starts. Okay, so what you need to do is we'll also authenticate how you're grading the contents. So please be serious, and we are expecting minimum of 4 hours of your to go through the contents. Then only we can complete it in 1 month, right? Because so much of contents are there. So you just have to go through all the content every day. So you have to go to academics, and whatever standards is allotted to you, it will come there. Okay, so you have to go to academics here. Then once you go to academics, then all the standard which is allotted to you, that will come here. That's all subjects will come here. Then you have to click on any one subject. Every day you have to authenticate one subject as per your convenience. So we'll start with the English. You have to grade all the, now in this many chapters are there. You have to click on the first chapter. So you have to maintain track how what you have completed and what is pending out. Okay, so you just have to keep your record ki with standards, with subject, how many things you have done, right? So once you clicked on this, don't give up. Then here there are reading, digital, explanation in English, explanation in Hindi, explanation in Marathi, and this 3-4 videos are there. You have to go through that. Okay, so reading, I have clicked on the reading part, right? So the readings video will come over here. Okay, the video will come here. Right, so you will play that. Okay, we'll just play the video. Right, so here you will listen to all the instruction and you will validate how many mistakes in reading or explanation the developer has done, like the intern has done, because we need to be very responsible. We are providing education, right? So we have to check how many mistakes are there in the particular thing, and if there are more than 1 or 2 mistakes, then you can grade on the scale of 1 to 10. If there are more mistakes, give very less marks, right? If there are 4 mistakes, right, so you can give 1 or 3-4 marks. And if there are more than 5-6 mistakes, then you can give 1-3 marks. If there is only one mistake or two mistake, then you can give 8, 9, 10. And if the explanation is really very good, so you can like judge. You have to judge how good the content are, and you can give. And if you want to give some feedback for this, you can write here ki good comments, like good video, or like whatever mistakes you have seen, you can like explain over here, and you can submit it. Okay, say good, then I'll give it more, then I'll submit it. Okay, successfully submitted. That's it. So this is your internship. For 1 month you will be doing every day 4 hours of your internship, and you will be just grading the content. Once these are all the contents are done, then like accordingly we will see if there are contents which are not that suitable for the students, we will try to upgrade it. Okay, so please, very responsible job. I expect sincerity from all the entrants, and please do it effectively. Thank you.